Your AI agent answers questions using the knowledge and instructions it has at the time. So if an answer ever comes back not quite right, it usually just means the agent was working from information that's outdated, conflicting, or a little unclear. The good news is it's easy to find and fix in just a few steps. Start by recreating the conversation in the preview. Go to your tawk.to dashboard, select the right property, then open Automations, Agents, and select your agent. On the right, you'll see a chat window. This is the Agent Tester, where you can ask questions and see your agent's responses without using any credits. Ask the question that was answered incorrectly, then check the reply. To see what the agent based its answer on, click the Knowledge Source button in the bottom right of the message. This shows you exactly where the information came from, which usually makes the root cause easy to spot. From there, the fix is simple. Update the information at its source. If it came from your website, update the page and recrawl it. If it came from a document, upload a corrected copy. If it came from your knowledge base, edit the article. And if it came from an FAQ, edit it directly so there's no conflict. Just make sure the corrected information is saved and enabled in your agent's knowledge. If nothing in knowledge looks wrong, check your instructions for anything conflicting or unclear. Once you've made your changes, restart the conversation and ask the same question again. If it's still not quite right, repeat the process. Check the source, refine the knowledge or instructions, and test again until the answer is consistently accurate. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.